Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'll be unboxing a new HD video camera which I've just recently bought, and it is called the Panasonic HC V180. It's a high definition video camera. It comes in this box here, and let's just get to unboxing it and see what it comes with. So here it is now. We'll just break the seal and we'll open it up. So what have we got here? Firstly, that looks like the camera there. It's very light. There it is there. It's a 90 zoom. Comes with a 2-inch LCD display. We'll get to that in a minute. So what else do we have with it? Comes with the instruction booklet. Panasonic HC V180. We'll get to the reading that in a minute. Also comes with some form there. Service providers. Comes with an HDMI cord, a USB to mini HDMI, a USB power charging cord, and the power outlet. Oh, and it also comes with a battery. So let's get this camera fully charged and then we'll come back to it and have a look at the features. So guys, our battery is all charged now, and so let's just have a look at some of the features of this camera. Now, the first thing you notice is it's very, very light. I'm not sure of the exact weight, but it's just a couple of grams. It really isn't very heavy at all. It's easy to carry. I have no use of my right hand, so it's going to be good with my left hand. Let's just see how this works here. The viewfinder opens up, and it's a 2-inch viewfinder. On the viewfinder there you have all the details. So once the viewfinder is opened, it turns on straight away. And what other features do we have here? We have a telephoto switch here, which zooms in and out. We have a switch here for the photos. You just click on it and it'll take a photo. Even during videotaping, we can do that, I believe. And inside the cover here, we have the power switch. It's also got an auto balance switch by the look of it. So when you're holding the camera at a slight angle, it'll correct that for you. There's a small HDMI port, and there's also a USB port for connecting to the computer. Just underneath the camera here, we have a battery release switch. So you release that and the battery pops out. And also there's an AV connection there so you can connect it to the television. On this side of the camera, you have a little door which opens up, and that's where you charge it. That plugs directly into the power. It comes with a power cord. And there's obviously your record button and a strap to keep it secure in your hand. Underneath we have the porthole for the SD card, and that just pops in there. It doesn't come with any internal memory. The only memory it has is the SD card. On the front here we have a shutter switch, closes the shutter, opens the shutter. So for a basic little camera, it seems to have all the whistles and bells. It comes with a 90 times zoom and an anti-shake feature as well. It comes with a manual, which we all should read, obviously, and there's also a manual online, and the link I'll leave in the description below for that manual. So guys, that's the HC V180 Panasonic video camera. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.